from the back. Start from the back. So this guy started his step from number 7 instead of number 0 or 1. So he started from the back. This is what -1 is. So you start from the last item in the list. This is it. So that is why we got 37.4. So all of these things are things you should know in list slicing. There is a whole lot you would need to still know in list slicing, but I think I will just stop in this place. So let's talk about list manipulation. Now, under list manipulation, there are things you must understand. Number 1, you must know how to add items in a list inside a list. Number 2, you must know how to remove item inside a list. So all these are the things I feel you should know. Add items in a list and remove item in a list. So let's talk about add. Now, to add item in a list is just like extending your list. You know, we have mango and this and that. So we want to add item to this list. So in adding item, there are 3 ways. Number 1, we use the keyword extend. We use insert and we use append. So these are the different ways of adding item in a list. Now let's talk about extend. Now for extend, let me just put this in form of a note. Let me put this form of a note. So add, for add we have extend, insert, append. Alright, so let's talk about extend. No, let me talk about insert. Now insert, we actually add a specific item to a list. A specific item to a list. No, a specific item to we add a item to a specific location in a list. Alright, this is insert. So for insert, I will just say fruit. So I want to add from the number 2 index, I want to add let me add pineapple. So if I run fruit now see what happens. You can see pineapple has been added. Before banana, pineapple was oh sorry, I just this was a mistake actually. What I did here was to change an item in a list. So what I did was to change. I changed banana for pineapple. So banana is located at number 2 index. I change it to what? Pineapple. This is changing an item in the list. So let me just do add now. Since I have this to add, I will use dot insert. So I want to insert let me insert mango, orange, pineapple, berry into number 3. Okay, let me just insert berry. This will give me an error, still an error. I think number 2 is supposed to come first before berry. This has added already. Okay, what I should have done is, okay, let me say fruits, berry. Now look at, now see what I did now. Pineapple added twice because I ran this code again. So I ran this code again, that was why pineapple added twice. So let me go and run it back from here, then come back here and run this. Alright, so now that's fine. So now I changed number 2 index to pineapple, I changed banana to pineapple, and I added berry to number 2 index. So this is how to insert an item to what? A list. So let me comment, or let me add. Let me comment. No, let me just remove this and put it here. Yeah, put it here. This is changing a specific item in a list. Changing an item in a list. Alright, so I can decide to change guava to banana. I'll just come here and say from number 2 change number 3 index to banana. So if I run fruit here, you would see it has changed. You can see now it's giving me berry because I went to go and add berry again. So I'll come back here and rerun this, then come here, run this, then come here and run this. Alright, it's fixed. So you can see how I changed all of these things now. To I changed number 2 index to banana, and I added into number 2 berry. So this is fixed already. This is how to add. This is to add. That is using the insert. Now what about we have done inserts. We also have, which other one again? We have, I said we have inserts. We have now append. Now append would actually add item to a list for majorly at the last. So I can say fruit dot append. I want to add a fruit called pineapple, orange, mango. Give me a fruit name, please.
Grape.
Okay, grape.
Guava.
So if I
Lemon.
So if I run this now, you will see grape. Grape has been added at the last. Alright, so that is for append. Now let's talk about extend. Now extend would split each text or each let me call it each value in the item, adding it to the list. Now this is what extend does. If I say fruit.extend and I'll say grape, guava, give me one other fruit name, please.
Lemon.
Alright, so if I come fruit, now you can see lemon is splitted. You can see lemon is splitted. So all of these are different ways of manipulating. So this is for adding. Now let's talk about remove. Remove also is 3 types. For remove, let's talk about removing an item in a list. We have what we call delete. We have what we call delete pop, and I think we also have remove as well. So all these are the different ways of removing item in the list. So for remove will remove a specific item from a location in a list. Okay, so if I say fruits dot remove, so I want to remove guava from this list. So once I say fruit dot guava, remove guava. So if I run fruits again, and I run name fruits. Okay, there's not like fruit. We have fruits, not fruits. So you can see guava has been removed. Guava is no longer